like you're cheating the tutor, because you will not only learn for free, you will still collect certificates for learning for free. If you're not using all these free resources I'm sharing with you guys, I don't know what you're doing. After I watched Bro Code's video on YouTube, that was the end of my problem with functions for life. That guy is good. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moyo and I'm currently teaching myself how to code, and I'm sharing my journey with you guys as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you free resources that you can use to learn how to code for free. So you're a beginner, you want to just learn how to code but you don't have money. This video is for you, so make sure you watch the video to the end, and if it ends up being helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos relating to tech like this. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first website I'll be recommending and I love so much, I have like 3 certificates from them and it's completely free of charge, is SheCodes. So I'm going to display my certificates on the screen. I have for introduction to coding, introduction to web development, and also I think advanced web development. So in these courses they teach you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also GitHub, and what else do they teach you? I'm not sure. I think they teach you hosting as well. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to put my certificates on the screen so that you guys can see what it looks like. Very colorful, very beautiful. I love how they structure the course, but it is only for women. So if you're a man, I'm sorry, I'm going to share something else that is going to be useful for you in this video. So make sure you chill and continue watching this video. I'm going to show you what you can use as well. But SheCodes was created by Matt Dillak, and he created SheCodes specifically for women. And when I tell you that he knows what he's doing, guys, this guy, like, his head is so there, like he knows what he's doing. So if you're in developing countries like Nigeria, Algeria, blah blah blah, all those developing countries, Ghana, you can get SheCodes for free. Although if you want to get the entire package, it is way more expensive. But for women in developing countries, yes, you can learn how to code for free. All you need to do is to go on their website, apply for the scholarship, and then maybe, I think mine took about a month, I'm not sure. They're going to get back to you, but I'm going to leave a link in the description box so you guys can check it out. So once you apply for the scholarship, you're going to join the waiting list, and then they give you the scholarship, and then you start learning how to code. I like it so much because, first of all, it is so structured. They understand that you're a beginner, you don't know anything about coding, so they are going to take you from intro to being somebody that is good with JavaScript. It's not like you're going to be very, 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 very good, but then you are going to learn the basics that you need to learn, and then if you need to progress further, then you can take other courses. But SheCodes is a very, very good starting point if you want to learn how to code and you're a woman in a developing country. So definitely check out the description box for a direct link for women in developing countries to apply for SheCodes free bootcamp. But if you're not in a developing country, then you might have to pay. Number 2 that I've tried out is YouTube, and it's not everybody on YouTube that you understand. Some people are good, some people are not very good. You'll be struggle understanding what they are teaching you. But guys, I've tried Bro Code on YouTube, and I'm here to tell you that nobody comes close. I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry actually, because this guy is so good. Like, so good. I used to struggle a lot with learning functions. I used to struggle with functions. I thought I was never going to learn function. Maybe I've not even finished learning function. You're not telling me to come and learn arrow function. It felt like a struggle. After I watched Bro Code's video on YouTube, that was the end of my problem with functions for life. That guy is good. That guy is good. You people should check his channel out. He is so good. So if you want to learn HTML, CSS, anything you want to learn, React, everything is there on Bro Code's channel. Make sure you check Bro Code's channel. And also, even if you're not using Bro Code to learn, there are also other websites like GreatStack. I think one thing I like about GreatStack is that when you finish his course, you can go to his website, then you answer a few questions, and then they give you certificates. Hey, I feel that GreatStack code, I feel like it's even like you're cheating the tutor, because you will not only learn for free, you will still collect certificates for learning for free. If you're not using all these free resources I'm sharing with you guys, I don't know what you're doing. So people should run. Don't walk, run, pack your slippers on your head and go to bro code, check Great Stack if you are struggling with learning how to code, or you want to start learning how to code as a beginner. Although it's always a little bit more difficult for beginners because you don't have like a clear roadmap. But let me give you the roadmap that you used to learn. Learn HTML first, then you learn CSS second, then you learn JavaScript third. So that JavaScript is going to take a while for you. Okay, when you are done learning JavaScript, then you can go to like React, TypeScript, etc. But those three things, make sure you learn them first of all and be, you know, good at what you are doing. Then my number 3 recommendation is the popular free code camp. I've tried free code camp before, and yes, free code camp is completely free, but then I don't know, I was not very disciplined with learning coding, so I'll just start and I'll stop. But I remember that when I started learning how to code with free code camp, it was just like straight into projects, and I feel like that is the best thing any beginner needs to learn how to code. To be honest, like, you need to practice. The more you practice, the better you get at coding. So I feel like free code camp is going to be good, so you guys should definitely check free code camp out. The 4th recommendation will be MDN docs. Now, for some of us, we don't like reading like that. If you don't like reading, then MDN docs may not be for you. But for some people that, you know, enjoy reading, definitely check out MDN docs. So even if you don't like reading or you like reading, that's your business. You'll still use MDN docs at one stage of your development journey. Maybe you run into a problem, or you're trying to solve one issue or the other. If you just Google something and put MDN, like, it's faster, and then the results are more, you know, what's it called? The results are more reliable, that's the word. So if you are using MDN to check for your problems, when you run into problems, why not just learn from them, you know? So you people can as well check out MDN docs to learn how to code. I feel like it is good, and they have everything. It's completely free. Just type MDN docs on Google, it will bring it out. You see, it's free. Everything is there. Everything from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, blah, 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 everything is there. So make sure to check it out. My last recommendation will be Harvard CS50, and I tried this one. Guys, that fair guy that did that course, I'm going to look for his name and put his name on the screen. That guy is good. Oh my god, that guy is good. Guys, just try out Harvard CS50 if you're also like trying to learn how to code for free. Although I don't feel like Harvard CS50 is going to give you enough knowledge to, you know, get a job, but especially if you are struggling with something in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, I feel like there are some things that you are going to learn and then you are going to really understand. Do you get? So definitely check out Harvard CS50 if you want to learn how to code for free, or maybe you want to use it as an introduction before you now get into like a deeper course. CS50 is very good, and the video is not that long, to be honest. I think it's like 2 hours long for HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I can't remember it, but I think so. I think it's about 2 hours plus. But you guys should definitely check out Harvard CS50. So there are 2 ways you can get Harvard CS50. You can either just Google it on YouTube, or you can check Google and then they have a website for Harvard CS50. And then if you complete their course, you can, what's it called? You can get a certificate, but that one is paid. But if you want to get it for free, just go to YouTube and type Harvard CS50. You're going to see all their courses on YouTube. Those guys are good. Actually, there's one particular, I think the guy is Chinese. That guy is good. So guys, these are my resources for you to learn how to code for free. And if you have tried any one of them out, let me know in the comment section. Which one did you like? Which one did you use? Which one have you used before? What do you think about my recommendation? Yeah, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.